This is your feeder and stock report for Tuesday, June 2nd. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are minded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta Monday, steers 900 plus, 454 to 490, 8 to 900, 507 to 520. 7 to 800, 559 to 617, 6 to 700, 630 to 671, 5 to 600, 675 to 725, 4 to 500, $8 to 920. Heifers 900 plus, 410 to 427, 8 to 900, 465 to 479, 7 to 800, 499 to 523, 6 to 700, 551 to 580, 5 to 600, 595 to 652, 4 to 500, 690 to 705. Middle-aged to mature cows with good April-May calves at their side traded from $5,600 per pair to $6,400 per pair. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Monday saw no new trade report. This week's show list has been compiled with volumes smaller than the previous week. Based on the 3-year average, Alberta fed basis levels historically weakened from May to June. With seasonally tighter cattle supplies, packers continue to run reduced hours. Despite record high fed cattle prices, this does not mean record high margins for the feedlot industry. A lot of the early placed calves being marketed right now are on either side of break-even levels. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 to 2 cows 240 to 265, D3 cows 223 to 239. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 270 to 280. In the U.S., there is no new trade report. Today, live bids at $2.55 have been reported in the southern feeding states. Bids are $1 to $2 lower than the previous week. Significant trade could hold off until Thursday or Friday. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start at around $260 on a live basis. Show list volumes in Colorado and Nebraska have been reported smaller. Beef cutout values have struggled to gain traction, but the same can be said for the pork market. Pork cutout values usually trend higher, driven by ham and belly primals. This has not materialized. Pork cutout values are now trading below last year and below the 5-year average. National bone cows average $336.95 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at $72.29, up 1 basis point. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, a mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. June 248.20 down 80, August 239.87 down 72, October 231.57 down 75. This is Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.